Verissimo Auto-Correct saves time by automatically fixing lint failures. You no longer have to manually handle each failure that Verissimo detects. To activate autocorrect when running in batch mode, just add the -autocorrect argument to your Verissimo invocation and specify which rules Verissimo should autocorrect. You can either use -autocorrect rule followed by the rule name in your Verissimo SH invocation, or add the autocorrect on attribute in the ruleset XML file. For specific rules, autocorrection may require additional input. You can specify it in a similar way if you need to override the default values. Verissimo fixes the failures as it executes each rule. With batch mode autocorrection, you address all automatable linting failures in a single step. This is especially useful during the initial setup of a Verissimo linting flow when numerous issues may arise, but also provides benefit for later continuous runs, saving time and allowing you to focus on more complex fixes that require deeper changes. For reviewing or debugging purposes, you can generate a custom report containing detailed information about each autocorrect. Instead of performing the fixes directly on their source code, they can be applied on file copies. This allows you to perform an extra review of the changes before deciding to apply them on the original source code.